Hi, in this problem we're going to draw this triangle ABC using the given information that AB equal to 8, the angle A is equal to 30 degree and then B is 60 degree. And then once we're done with triangle ABC, we're going to draw another triangle inside of this triangle using the offset value of 1. And then we're going to find out the area of this new triangle. So let's get started. First, make sure ortho is on. Now click the line tool. Click anywhere on the screen. Move right, type 8, press enter. Now right click and click cancel. And then adjust the view by scrolling middle mouse button if needed. Click on the line tool. Click the left end of this line. Move left, and we're going to make a very long line. So when you are certain that the line is going to be long, click on the screen, right click, cancel. Now we're going to rotate it by 180 minus 30 means 150. So click the rotate tool, click this line, press enter, click the right end of this line and type negative 150. So we are typing negative sign because we are rotating it in the clockwise direction, and then also 150 is coming from subtracting 30 from 180. Okay. Now click on the line tool, click the right end of this line AB, and again we're going to make another very long line. When you're certain that the line is going to be long, click on the screen, right click, cancel, and then we're going to rotate this on using the rotate tool. So click rotate, click this line, press enter. Now click the left end of this line as the base point. Now we're going to rotate it by 180 minus 60, and we're rotating in the counterclockwise direction, so we don't have to put any negative sign. So again 180 minus 60 is 120. So type 120, press enter. Okay, now we're going to use the trim tool to trim the unwanted portion of the lines. So we don't want this portion of the line, so we trim it, trim this one too, and then right click, cancel. Now we're going to use the offset tool to make another triangle inside of this triangle. So the offset value is given as 1. So click this offset tool, type 1, press enter, and click this line, click above, click that line, click to the left, click this line, click right, and then right click, cancel. We're going to use the trim tool to trim the unwanted portion of those lines. So click here, 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 and here, and right click. Oh, we have still one more line segment, so click that one. Okay, right click, either cancel or enter, and then simply select those line segments and press delete from the keyboard to erase them. Okay, now we're going to join these 3 lines inside using the join tool. So type join, and you can select them one at a time. So click that one, and that one, press enter, and then click this triangle, and you see how they're joined together. Then click the right mouse button and look when you see properties, left click, and then it will display the area. So the area is 1.3923.